Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started with the recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Now today we're going to be making some blueberry cheesecake rolls. It's a simple and delicious recipe that you can put together in less than 30 minutes. Let me tell you what all is going to go in this recipe. You're going to have some powdered sugar, some vanilla, some cream cheese that you're going to have at room temperature. You're going to have an 8 count of crescent rolls, and then you're going to have some blueberries. Now I am using fresh blueberries today. However, if you do have frozen ones, you can pull them out of the freezer and let them thaw out. I'm sure it would be just as delicious. So what you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees and get you a cookie sheet. I did put some parchment paper and I did lightly spray it. Now you just want to get a bowl and you're going to mix in your cream cheese. And then we're going to put in our vanilla and then our powdered sugar. This is going to make that delicious filling for this recipe. I love a blueberry dessert and I love cheesecake, which is one of my favorite desserts. This is just a little easier to make, and I think y'all will really enjoy it if you like those two things. Now you're just going to mix this filling together until it's blended. And then, like I said, you're going to go ahead and take your crescent rolls, take them out of the package, and then you're going to unroll them. And then we're going to put a little bit of this filling in each one, and then we're going to put our blueberries in it, and then we're going to roll them up, and then we're going to bake them in the oven. Like I said, it's a quick, simple, and delicious recipe. All right, let's go ahead, and you're going to go ahead and just put in some of your filling on the thicker end of your crescent roll. And then we're just going to go ahead. You don't have to have an exact measurement on that, but just go ahead and layer some blueberries on top of it. And then we're going to roll them up. Like I said, if you like a blueberry recipe or dessert, you'll love this. It's very delicious. All right, let me go ahead and get this rolled up. Just be careful, keeping your blueberries inside. Of course, they're going to show. Go ahead and place that on your cookie sheet. We're going to go ahead and do the next one. All right. Well, I'm going to go on and continue getting these ready to go in the oven. Now you're going to want to bake these between 10 and 13 minutes, depending on your oven time. Just check them around the 10-minute mark. You want them to be a nice golden brown. When we come back, we'll show you how they look. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we've got our blueberry cheesecake rolls out of the oven. They are smelling wonderful. And I hope that y'all will give this recipe a try and subscribe to my channel, please, and click on the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. I try to post every week so that way y'all can check those out. I hope that y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching.